Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix the login error of Tinder. There could be few things that might cause this problem, so in this video I'll show you the possible solution to fix your login error. So first of all, this is the Tinder app, and as you can see I'm not logged into any of my accounts. So first of all, an outdated version of the app might be your cause, so you need to go to the App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app, and after you have searched for the app, tap on it and now check whether any update is available or not. So if there is any update available, update your app, and once you have updated your app, try to log in, and that's how you can fix login error. So if this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution as well. For another solution, let's go to the settings. Now you will see your option with apps. Tap on it. Now on the search bar, which is on the upper right corner of the screen, tap on it and then type the name of the app you want to fix the login error of. So that's Tinder for us today. Tap on it. Now you will see another option with storage. Tap on the storage option. Now the next thing you need to do is clear the cache of the Tinder app. So once you have cleared the cache of the Tinder app, you can again log into your Tinder account, and that will also fix the login error. If this option also does not work for you, I have another solution as well. For this, you just need to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. To uninstall the app, long press on the app and you will see your option with uninstall. Once you have uninstalled your app, reinstall it either from your Play Store or App Store, then log in, and that's how you can fix the login error of your app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.